Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website AVA ecommerce.com. I'm on a homepage and I really love the customized newsletter sign up form with a custom tagline and offer of 15% off. So this is really enticing. It's really good. I love the professional looking image, and you have a tagline that specifies what you are selling, which is perfect. Home decor inspiration lifestyle, and obviously link to your collections. I love the minimum size header area, so it maximizes conversion rate. So this is good. Top menu as well. Really nice. So you've got SEO optimized collection title. The products are cropped to the same size. I love the professional product images as well. Very enticing. The images are the same style. The products are unique. So very nice. I love this wooden robot lamp. I'm not sure if this kind of shaking add to cart button really suits your branding, because so far I had an impression you have very upmarket premium feeling. This kind of button really matches more like deal website, this kind of discount website, and it kind of doesn't really match your premium branding. So think about not using this kind of way of promotion. Okay. I love the images here as well. So featured collection, beautiful, absolutely amazing. Yeah, the homepage looks really impressive. Apart from this button that I mentioned, everything else is kind of tied within the same color scheme, building your premium home decor branding. So very positive. The collection page looks great. The images are cropped to the same proportion, so they display in the same line. The products are very inviting to browse, so that's a really good selection. Product page layout is nicely organized. You've got add to cart button visible above the fold. Again, it's shaking, so I'm not sure if it really gives this message that you want to portray. However, it's quite user friendly. So you've got product details displayed. You offer 2-year warranty, which is fantastic. The benefits. Okay, so this is really enticing as well. Product review, so one review, so it's very trustworthy as well. So you don't have like hundreds reviews, which kind of is questionable, but okay, this is quite nice. Frequently bought together, so this is nice upselling offer as well. Add to cart is visible. I like that it's visible, that it's on sticky menu. However, I don't think it should be shaking, but I have already mentioned that. About us page is really enticing. You talk about who is in the team, what inspired you to start this branding. So this is really fantastic. Your shipping policy is very informative, which is perfect. I would also add information of the shipping cost. Even if you offer free shipping, make sure to specify it. Okay, so it is here on all products regardless of destination of the country. I would make it a little bit more visible so it kind of pops up from the page so people can see it within the split second, and then obviously move to making a purchase, which will help you improve your user experience and sales as well. Your SEO score is for some reason very low. Normally this tool gives a score of 50, 60, or in 31 out of 100. So it tells me that there is something that is definitely affecting your SEO. I can see that you've got 2 different domain names pointing to the website, however, without a 301 redirect as recommended here. Google reads it as 2 websites with a duplicate content, which can significantly affect your Google rank. However, it shouldn't really be the only cause for such a low rank. So it feels like that your Google snippet is not optimized. For some reason, it only reads as an error, 302 error. So make sure to specify your meta title and meta description. Your H2 is also, H1 is found, but it's also, okay, it feels like because you had a lot of content on the homepage, so it feels like there is something that is blocking Google from indexing your content, because I've never seen such a low content without a significant error on a website. So it feels like the Google bots can't really access the content. If you've got Google Search Console integrate with the website, please have a look if there is anything blocking the Google bots access to the website. Because if Google cannot access the website, it won't be able to rank, it won't be able to show you in the search results. So it's either the penalty, or you've got something. If you had someone, if you had a web designer working on a website previously, they could use some kind of coding that prevents bots from accessing the website and indexing the content. So make sure to check it. Moz Pro is very, very good for analyzing the Google bot success. So if you would like this kind of more in-depth SEO analysis, please let me know. And this free audit obviously won't give you the answers as to what is blocking. It will need more in-depth SEO analysis. So please contact me, because I feel that this is something that needs to be sorted out ASAP. So email me and I'll be happy to give you a quote for this kind of more in-depth SEO analysis of your website. You've got a number of broken links, so it means that um, Google bots won't be able to index the pages if they cannot access them, apart from the fact that they cannot really index properly your website. Also, broken links can cause a lot of lost sales, because if people see a lot of error pages, it's really discouraging from browsing further. So you will lose a lot of traffic, you will lose a lot of sales, and a lot of visitors as well. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. And if you would like to speak with our Shopify expert and ask about how to improve your SEO further, how to run more in-depth SEO analysis, please book a free chat. The link is in the email. There is a lot that we can do to help you improve your SEO score and help you get more in-depth understanding of the SEO situation on the website. So don't miss the opportunity to speak with our Shopify expert today. Book a free chat now. It's a non-obligation chat, and don't miss it. Book this chat now. So I really look forward to speaking with you soon, and thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.